So here are some images of real life objects that actually have at least one set of parallel lines. So remember, parallel lines are the same distance apart. They will never cross or intersect. And I'm going to show you some right now using a marker. Again, bear with me because it's not so easy to do on this Chromebook. So in this particular image, it looks like train tracks. There are several sets of parallel lines. So they're going the same direction. This and this are parallel lines. They'll go on forever and ever, and they will never touch, never intersect. They are the same distance apart. You might also notice that any of these sets of the actual tracks, those are parallel lines with each other, as long as they're running in that same direction. So we'll learn more about these terms, but these are vertical parallel lines because they're going up to down. And then these first set we noticed were going horizontally. Again, vertical and horizontal, but don't worry too much about that. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. Our flag also features many sets of parallel lines. Remember, they have to be the same distance apart, and they can never cross or intersect. So we have, again, vertical parallel lines that we could talk about as part of the flag, but there's also multiple horizontal sets of parallel lines. As long as they stay the same distance apart and never intersect, this could be an example of some parallel lines. And finally, we have a ruler. Again, horizontal parallel lines. It's not the straightest line I've ever drawn in my life, but there's one set of parallel lines within this ruler, and then you could always, talk about how these lines, depending where they are vertical and they will never touch. But these are just some examples in real life of objects where you can see parallel line segments. I'm thinking about sitting at my counter, even just my placemat. The lines going horizontally like this, it's a little dirty, are parallel lines. And then we have the lines that go vertically. So you can probably see a bunch of examples of where you see at least a set, or if not more than one set, multiple sets of parallel lines in objects every day.